In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to work your plantar flexion with a resistance band. And all you need to do is you can come into any position you want. The whole movement is bringing the foot from this position into a pointed down position. So you could be laying down with a band stretching, you can be standing up doing this, any position you want, but I'm going to show you this one. So here I'm seated on a bench, I've got one leg on the bench and I'm going to pull back on my foot until I start to feel a little bit of resistance at the ankle. Now, if I pull back too hard, or alternatively the band's really difficult, that's going to directly correlate between having a difficult exercise and an easy exercise. So if you can't feel it, pull the band more or get a heavier band. And if you feel it too much, ease up or get a lighter band. So what we're going to do is we're going to come into a position where I'm bringing the foot down and also the toes. As I come back up to the start position, I really want to control that range of motion. And I'm going to come straight back down, that pedal down position, and slowly back up. Try not to place the TheraBand or band that you're using too high on the foot, because what will happen is it could ping and hit you in the face, and no one wants that. That's your exercise of how to work plantar flexion with a band.